No, I'll never forget that day. No, no, never forget that day. No, no, baby. No, I'll leave it. No, I'll never forget that day. No, no, never forget that day. No, no, baby. No, I'll leave it. No, I'll never forget that day. No, no, never forget that day. No, no, baby. No, I'll leave it. No, I'll never forget that day. No, no, never forget that day. No, no, baby. No, I'll leave it. No, I'll never forget that day. No, no, never forget that day. No, no.
But that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. I just want to say thank you to all of the first responders, to the doctors and nurses, those working at grocery stores, those working in distribution centers. You are keeping things moving. I want to thank the doctors that are keeping their private practices open so that just to see emergencies, so that the emergency rooms aren't flooded with people. So I want to thank everyone for loving on each other, and people who are posting stuff to keep everyone entertained during this time. The journalists that are keeping us up to date. I want to thank the lawmakers who are doing the right thing and who care about us. And yeah, that's it. So everyone stay blessed and stay safe and stay healthy. Peace.
No, I'll never forget that day.